As a general rule of automotive ownership, you never want to see your car smoking. Regardless of the color, smoke is an abnormality and suggests something is wrong. If you see white smoke coming out of the exhaust, it might not be a big problem right away. Reasons white smoke from your exhaust. 1. Condensation. During colder weather or when the engine is first started, moisture can accumulate in the exhaust system. As the exhaust heats up, this moisture vaporizes and appears as white smoke. The smoke should dissipate as the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. 2. Blown head gasket. The head gasket is a gasket placed between the engine block and the cylinder head. This gasket separates combustion, oil, and coolant between these two parts. When the head gasket is either damaged or cracked, it can cause coolant to leak into the combustion chamber, leading to white smoke. 3. Coolant leak. When there is a leak in the cooling system, coolant can find its way into the engine combustion chamber. This coolant is vaporized along with the regular fuel and air mixture, resulting in white smoke coming out of the exhaust. 4. Cracked engine block. The engine block and the cylinder head are full of channels where the coolant flows to cool the engine down. A cracked cylinder head or engine block can allow coolant to enter the combustion chamber. This can lead to the production of white smoke as the coolant is burned along with the fuel. This is very rare though and usually only happens after an overheating engine or something similar. 5. Faulty fuel injector. Fuel injectors are responsible for spraying a precise amount of fuel into the combustion chamber. If a fuel injector is malfunctioning, it might spray too much fuel, causing an overly rich mixture. This can lead to incomplete combustion and white smoke. 6. Transmission fluid leak. In rare cases, if transmission fluid leaks into the engine cylinders and gets burned along with the fuel, it can produce white smoke. This is uncommon and usually indicates a serious issue with the transmission or engine. 7. Cold weather. When the weather is very cold, the hot exhaust gases meet the cold air, causing rapid condensation. This can result in the formation of visible white vapor or smoke. As the exhaust system heats up, the condensation disappears. 8. Coolant contamination. In some cases, a leak can occur between the cooling system and the engine's lubrication system. This leads to a mixture of coolant and engine oil. When the engine runs, this mixture can burn, producing white smoke and often a milky appearance in the engine oil.